What's up, guys? This is your boy Nkubi the Entertainer. And today I'm going to pay Katra a visit. Since I came home, I never paid his house a visit. I want to see the type of cars he has. Apparently, he has a GTI nowadays. They do change it, and let me just go to his house and see what King Katra has done. I'm sure it's not your normal GTI. He's gonna drop it. He's gonna put in good sound. He's gonna do all these crazy nice things. He's King Katra with it. You cannot expect normal things from him. So yeah, let's go with it. You know I take you with everywhere I go. You're my friends. I always talk to you like this. So when I was leaving my friend, my neighbor, this one, when I was leaving my house, he said that his little brother is there, his cousin is there, his little cousin is there, like his nephew. What am I saying? It's a nephew. It's his nephew. He's there, and he would love to meet Katra. Like meeting Katra has always been his dream, his childhood dream. He always watches him spinning and doing all of those things. So I was like, you know what? Since I'm not doing anything, let me take the boy to Katra. Let me make his dream a reality. He always wanted to meet Katra. You see? So yeah, when he came here, he's here to visit his uncle, but little did he know that his uncle's friend is Katra's friend. So right now he's going to meet Katra, and I just want to vlog about it. I want to see the boy's reaction when he sees Katra. Guys, unfortunately my friend's nephew left sad because he found Katra gone. Katra was gone. I will wait for Katra. He has to go, so I will wait for Katra and see what we do with it. Unlucky boy, but you know where to find me now, and we're gonna find Katra. The search for Katra, for this little boy, will not stop. Okay, guys. Oh, this is Lukwaba here. Oh, Katra, there is Katra there. And this is everybody this side. Oh, I see Mbulazi there. Ne. Okay. The thing I'm here to see is this car. I'm here to see this car. Yeah. The people I'm here to see. Actually, the car I'm here to see is this one. I couldn't see it. What? Is that one? 2 weeks in Yana, you leave home 2 weeks in Yana. Things have changed. You find out on Instagram that things have changed. I'm so sad that this you found out about it not through me. Change it. Okay, of it. The game is going up. The game is going up. Okay, I want to show you. So Katra make sure that he comes up with another banger. It's already dropped, my fan. Don't underestimate this man. Yeah. Lodi change it, Buffett. Okay. No stress. No stress. Look at this drop. Look at this tuck. Look at this tuck. Gimbulazi. Dinsanga choose. Nakubona wena choose. Akubona wena choose. Kwadai. Urinda. Ay manaslangana mo. Zvare. Fede. Aita. Exe. Ure number 1 stand me. Katra mukhoshi. Ure ngatra mukhoshi. Oh mona wa mpucha ka wena mona ko biltsen smoke. Ko re ke nna wena mona santse ke rabele ya ntsha tsa gore wes Katra mona. Mona itšwa batho ba babedi gona go gona. Oh wa ntse mona. Nna ke bola go arabela gore wena mo kae. O ndela bophelo boime. Warra. O reng warra? Sharp. Oh, is that? Oh, go bola go arabela.
At least 2 wheel is safe.
Straight.
media Wilson Smoke.
Yeah, you recognize them for Betamo. Oh, what's a yeah. Guys, as you can see, I think he just came back. I think that was the car he was using when he was traveling around. He just came back. He's looking tired as tea. So when I was in Wilson Smoke, he was in Standerton. So just look, they just parked here right now. So that's why we couldn't come with him to Wilson Smoke. He was somewhere else in Mpumalanga, Standerton. But yeah, man, one day you will get to know what's going on. Oh, let's go and see. I see another car that side. Oh, this one we don't know it. You've never seen this golf on the channel. Hey, we've never seen this golf. Yeah, ne? Golf get born in this side. Ooh. Look at those calipers. Make sure that the calipers are on point. Guys, check this out. This is what I wanted. I want it. I'm gonna get it, but not with the yellow one. I want a red one. Guys, this golf is very, very, very clean. Playing with 16540s. I think it got a new job. The rims also got refurb. These rims are too shiny for a golf. Got refurb. They refurbished the rims, and which is a good thing. To refurbish the rims, guys, it's a good thing. It's a very, very good thing. And those touches, those small touches, which really mean a lot. Where you add that yellow color in it. But I see that this is not a spray. This is not your normal spray. It's not your normal spray. It looks thick. It's not that thin spray. Because I used the spray to spray my. You see, it's even. It's thick. What is this? It's some sort of thick paint. You remember when I was busy painting my things. When I was inserting my 4-light grill, I tried spraying that bell, and then it just was too light, and it was running, and it was very light. Even when I applied more of it to make it thicker, it was just running, and it was busy dropping. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna leave it, and I'll find something out. Maybe I'm gonna buy a matte spray, and then a matte spray might stick on, be a little bit thicker than this thin one. But then yeah, man, the golf looks really good. And let's go. Let's just check inside. If you check out the car inside, it has velo seats, and not your normal velo steering, but it has the other big steering. Okay, I've never seen this. I don't know which steering this one is. But yeah, inside, the seats are too clean. Everything is too clean inside. Yeah. It seems like it just got a wash. Yeah. But yeah, man, this is here. What did you expect? We make sure that we bring the finest golfs. But I'm gonna try the matte spray first before I ask him where he got this. And yeah, try to do it. Okay. These ones are Katra stuff. These ones are written Katra all over. Katra. So yeah, guys, the Katra we've been asking for. He just came back from Standerton. Here he is. So yeah, what's going on? That's why he couldn't come to Wilson Smoke. But guys, I love this drop. Hey guys, I didn't see the sound here. Hey, yeah. Yo. Okay, before he even opens, guys, just listen. Before you see anything, remember that he's a sound guy, so he can say Kenyani because he's a sound guy. He's used to big subs and 5 amps, 2 crossovers, 5. You understand? So yeah, you would call it small, but it's something. The way I hear it, if my car plays like this, I'm fine. vocals are coming out good. The vocals are coming out good. I just hope YouTube doesn't block this sound. Monogua. That's up it. Yeah. Ali abofa bakhala. And then the speaker now should shut and change agolo. Like the sweeter should Oh, the rest he's using all the speakers which came with the car. He's running your stock speakers. The only thing he added is it's those two tweeters. Oh, 4. Yeah. Don't forget, Bafetu, we're gonna be on the in Polokwane Showground on the 2nd of April. Bafetu, everyone is going. That's why I'm this side now, because I'm getting ready for 2 April. It's the biggest show, Bafetu. You don't want to miss this one.